I swear my makeup looked so normal in the mirror. Now it's just showing up weird. Hi. Do you also want to take all your anger and sadness out on making a princess hat? I know I do.
Let's jump right in. The supplies you'll be needing are tulle, ribbon, lots of ribbon, construction paper, mine's pink, hundreds of these little rhinestone things, a glue gun, and glue sticks. Now we'll start by folding our paper in half and roughly measuring where we'll cut. I measured with my heart. Then you'll just give it a good snippety snip, and there you have it, your very own cone.
Perfect. Next up, you're going to want to plug your glue gun in and wait for it to heat up. You should have done that before, but you didn't think about it, and that's fine. If you have tulle and you're gonna stick it through if you're gonna do this, then I would suggest leaving a little hole at the top so it's easy to poke the tulle through, and then you can hot glue gun it on the inside so there's no hot glue gun marks on the outside. If you're wondering why I'm sad, and the title of this video didn't give it away, let me tell you.
At this point, I ramble on for about 6 minutes and barely answer the question, so let me summarize. I've had a pretty old iPad for a while now, and I knew that it was on its last legs. One thing that I needed to do was upload all of my Procreate drawings to my files and iCloud so that they would be safely stored in case of my iPad going out. Well, the one thing I didn't do was just that. So when my iPad finally said sayonara, well, so did my drawings. Luckily, I have all of the pictures of my drawings and some PNGs of my stickers, so I can salvage some of my work. But boy oh boy did I learn my lesson on saving my files. Now all that's left to do is spend some precious moolah on a drawing tablet and wait a couple of weeks for it to get here. So for now, I just have to come up with all new content that doesn't involve drawing, which is usually 90% of my business. But ain't that just the way?
I talk about this more in my last video. If you want to check that out, I have it above. But yeah, I'm fully aware that all of this is my mistake. And in order to relieve some of that stress and sadness, well, that leads us here to this princess hat. That's gonna fix everything. So now that your cone is all the way glued, you're going to want to find a way to stick the tulle into the hole. I made the hole kind of small, so it's harder than I thought. So I was able to fit the tulle into the top of the hat. Now I'm gonna see the length that I want to cut it to. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. Now, even though I said in the beginning that I didn't want hot glue showing on the top, I'm gonna do that now to glue this other layer on. And then I'm just gonna make like a ball so it's like thick and press it in without getting my hands in there. So now that I have my tulle on, I am going to start my ribbons. So I think before I start the decorative ribbon, I'm going to work on the ribbon tie. So I'm just gonna measure, I don't know what's going on here. I have like a bunch of hot glue gun webs around me. Okay, this is a mess. The ribbon is all bunched up. Okay, I'm just gonna measure, I'm gonna kind of like go like this, and I want there to be a bow. So I guess there. I'm gonna make sure that I'm doing the ribbon so that the seam is on the back of my, oh wait, that doesn't work. Oh, I need to cut this again. Ow. Okay. So now I'm just gonna wanna make sure that I cut the very bottom. Make sure it's as even as possible, but again, relatively speaking, oh gosh. And then you're just gonna wanna make your bow. I'm gonna be the prettiest girl at the party. Pro tip, make sure you don't tie your actual hair into the bow like I just did. These weird dangly pieces. I'll work on the bow later. Okay. So now for the main decoraty bits. The main decoraty bits. Decoraty. I'm going to hot glue this burgundy color ribbon all the way around in a spiral. And I'm just gonna start on the bottom and just work my way up. Now. Ouch. Go. Am I done? I think I'm done. Okay, so in order to officially finish with this hat, I'm going to go put on my princess dress and then I'll show you the finished reveal. Am I the prettiest girl at the party? And that's that. The moral of the story is back up your Procreate files to your cloud file, and when you're sad, make princess hats. Am I gonna start a collection of doing this every time I'm sad? Because I think that's really gonna go somewhere. Okay, this chair is too squeaky. I really need to buy a new one. I'm done with the princess hat. I'm gonna be wearing this for the rest of the day. Thank you for watching. And stay tuned for another video where we're going to be doing something else that doesn't have to do with a drawing tablet. Okay, thanks, bye! Thank you for watching. I hope you had fun. I know I did.